So you've had an accident at work. Why should you get in touch with Atha & Co? Well, we're local, specialised solicitors. We've been doing these claims for donkey's years. In fact, since I was in short trousers. It's what we do and it's all we do. Well, if you have an accident at work, these range from almost anything from a slip to a situation where your employer hasn't provided you with proper protective equipment, where he's exposed you to an unsafe system or an unsafe place of work. These days, there's such a huge duty on the employer that virtually every accident that happens at work can be attributed in some way to the employer's fault. He's really in a no-win situation. People worry about making a claim against their employer. They worry that they'll be sacked, that the employer will be upset with them. Don't worry about that. The employer is insured and it's his duty to be insured. The claim gets passed immediately to the insurer who deals with it. It's not personal to your employer, although some may take it personally. The important thing to do is to make sure the circumstances of the accident are correctly recorded in the accident book. You would be amazed at some of the things that turn up in accident books when the employer fills it in. It's vital to make sure that you fill it in and you sign it. Take photographs. Take photographs of the accident site. Take photographs that explain the mechanism of the accident. Get witness details. If it was witnessed by a friend or a colleague at work, get them on board immediately. Get their name and address and take a detailed statement from them if you can. If you can't, just make sure you keep the details and we'll do that for you. So what happens when you contact us after a work accident? Well, we'll sit down, we'll discuss with you the precise mechanism of the accident because that's important. We have to understand how the accident happened so as we can properly advise you as to whether your employer can be held at fault. Once we've done that, we'll get on with the claim. We'll write to the employer and his insurers, we'll set out details of the claim, and on we'll go. We'll just get on with it.